YouTube is the world's most popular video streaming service and the second most visited website in the world, according to Alexa. It's no wonder that more and more people are turning to YouTube to make money. With its massive global audience, YouTube offers an incredible opportunity to create content and make money. The potential to make money with YouTube is vast and growing. There are a number of different ways to make money on YouTube, including creating and monetizing videos, running ads on your videos, or selling merchandise related to your videos. The first way to make money with YouTube is to create and monetize videos. Monetization is the process of earning money from videos by allowing YouTube to place ads on them. YouTube pays you a portion of the ad revenue they earn from your videos. To get started, you will need to create an account with YouTube and upload a video. Once you've done this, you can apply for YouTube's monetization program. Once approved, YouTube will begin displaying ads on your videos, and you will earn money for each view. The second way to make money with YouTube is by running ads on your videos. YouTube offers several different types of ads, including display ads, overlay ads, and sponsored cards. These ads can be displayed on your videos in exchange for a fee. The amount of money you make from these ads will depend on the type of ad and the amount of traffic your video receives. The third way to make money with YouTube is to sell merchandise related to your videos. This could include t-shirts, mugs, and other items that feature your logo or branding. These items can be sold directly from your YouTube channel or from your own website. Finally, there are a number of other ways to make money on YouTube. You can also make money from affiliate links, sponsored content, and YouTube Premium subscriptions. In conclusion, YouTube offers a wealth of opportunities for content creators to make money. There are many different ways to make money with YouTube, from monetizing videos to running ads and selling merchandise. With the right strategy and dedication, anyone can make money with YouTube.